renovating our kitchen on a super tight budget of hopefully under $1,000, keep your fingers crossed. So far we've put in a ton of hours removing 3 layers of wallpaper and 1 layer of painted metal tiles, primed everything with an oil-based primer, and then painted the ceiling with 2 coats of a bright flat white. We also upgraded the lighting with this amazing find from Facebook Marketplace, which we snagged for free. If you want to see our really ugly kitchen before we got started and get caught up on all of our kitchen vlogs, I will link a playlist above. I was so excited for this day to paint the kitchen walls. So we used some leftover clear paint that we had from a previous project, and fortunately we had enough to do 2 coats on the kitchen walls.
My hands keep getting tired.
Guess you're too tired to hold your tablet.
Okay, fine. After this guy from... Never mind. I can't get you and you're in the way. I can't get you painting. All I can see is the back of your head. Climb up the ladder to get a good shot of you. Yeah, this is perfect.
As you can see, our kitchen cabinets are in pretty rough shape. Some of them have splintered and broken. They are on the small side and they're just really old. However, it is not in our budget to get new kitchen cabinets. We do plan on gutting the entire kitchen in a few years and doing a full kitchen reno. So we're going to salvage what we have.
Works fine, there's no problem.
Cleaning out the drawers to paint them, and there is just a razor blade wedged in here. Once we emptied the cabinets, cleaned out the drawers, it was time to give everything a really good scrub down with a heavy-duty deglosser. And what this did was not only cleaned off the grease and the filth and the grime, but it also took off the shiny finish of the paint, which will make the new paint adhere a lot better.
There's always one screw in every project that doesn't come out.
There's 2 in this one.
That makes my statement still true.
We use a really good quality cabinet door and trim enamel paint to make our cabinets as durable as possible. I think I was planning on also priming the cabinets with the same oil-based primer to just lock in everything, but it looks like I forgot to do that. painting the cabinets, Rob spent a ton of time buffing all of the old paint off of the hinges. I debated getting new hinges, but I didn't want to mess with things not hanging back up properly. Plus, it was a good way to save a few dollars. We also reused all of the white knobs. There was one gold one, and we were able to pick up a white knob that matched extremely closely from Home Depot. So that was a perfect find for about $2. Emma also did a fantastic job volunteering here, helping to hang all of the cabinet doors back up. Half of the door latches were broken, and she figured out a way to fix them.
Remember that we were dating? I was like, I don't ever want to be in one of your YouTube videos. Ever. I didn't say it like all mean. And here we are. Might as well call it the Rob Show.
Things are crazy because we still have kitchen cabinets to finish, and people are coming over in 2.5 hours for a birthday dinner. So we have to finish this cake and everything. We don't have a place to eat right now.
I promised you I got the floors in by tonight.
2.5 hours.
I don't think it's gonna happen.
I thought you were just gonna bring the boxes in and say, look, they're in the kitchen.
Genius! That's genius. We're gonna do that.
Last knob.
This is the last handle. It's gonna go in the last door. And then
It's a knob, it's not a handle.
I'm recording. Can you not? The last crap, what's it called? What's it called?
A knob.
Ta-da!
Yay.
So you can show the clip here of the inside side and the outside side.
Where do we put this?
Let's set it to the side. We'll find somewhere special to put it later,
On the side?
okay?
Which side? The outside side or in the room side?
If you don't have a screw for a knob, that's the right side. Go out and buy these 2 boxes of screws, number 6 and number 8. I use them for everything. I use them to mount the light up there. I use them for knobs. I use them when I lose a screw for a receptacle. And then just squeeze it. Ta-da!
Stay tuned and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss future updates. We hope you're having a great day. Bye.